Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel, and today we've got a little job we're going to do on the S80. So I thought I'd bring you along because it'll be pretty much the same for every Volvo of this generation. So this is a P3 generation Volvo S80, and we're going to be changing the wiper blades. So as you can see over here, they were just arrived fresh off the truck from Amazon, the AM467S Bosch Aero Twin, and actually they've got a little graph on the back of all the cars, so I'll just show you all the cars that this fits. As you can see, it fits a lot of Volvos from quite a broad spectrum of time as well. I think there's yeah, 2006 I think is the oldest car on there for Volvo. So yeah, we're going to show you how to fit these. Obviously we've got the standard ones on the car at the moment. They're a bit crap, to be honest, so we're going to do that first. What we need to do first though, in order to be able to get these up, because they're aerodynamic wipers or some such, they can't actually be lifted past this point, which yes you could do, but I'm going to show you a useful tip for getting them into the service mode. So all you need to do is just open the door, obviously, put your key in the slot, and then hold it up on the wiper stalk just like that, and as you can see the wipers are now up in their service mode. Pop the key back out like so, and here we are. We've now got easy access to the wipers. So you might be able to see that these have sort of a button mechanism on them. If I can get this to focus, there we go. So all we essentially need to do is push this button in and pull upwards. So I'm just going to try that, and if I can do this one-handed, it will be a testament to, there we go, just like so. And now you're going to want to pull them back, and it's just a bit of, well, that was easy, just like that. So this is, remember that this is the bigger one of the two, so we're going to get the bigger one of the two out of the box. Just something to bear in mind, guys, do not let this sort of slam down onto your windscreen, because you'll crack it, you'll scrape it. As you can see, it's just literally metal on metal, metal on glass even, so make sure it's up nice and sturdy. They're pretty well sprung actually, as you can see there's a nice big spring, but it's just something to bear in mind. So what we're going to do, get the big one out of our box. I have to do this, hold it between my legs and pull them out. Keep the box as well, because then you can put the old ones in. Oh, I've managed to do this upside down, I think, or not. Ah, there we go. Obviously you don't really want these touching the ground or getting on the ground, because they will pick up grit, which can scratch your windscreen. So I'm just going to place it on the safer. Actually, I'll place it up here, then it's out of the way. So as you can see, we've got the big one here now, and we're going to install it on the wiper. So let's get into it. So guys, you might have heard me get a little bit confused at the end of that last clip. It's just because actually you need to pop this bit off first, which I didn't realise, so I got a bit confused. But now we're ready to install this first large wiper. All you need to do, slot it down into the trails there, like so. It's going to be quite hard to see through the phone. I think these actually, yeah, goes in like that. If you can get it to focus, give it a wiggle, and then they'll slide in, and we're going to wait for it to clip in through. Just be careful, because you can pinch your skin, which is painful as. Sometimes the newer ones are a bit stubborn to get in, so I'm just going to do it with two hands and then show you guys the result. Okay then guys, as you can see, this one's nicely securely in place, so we're just going to rest that down on the windscreen like that. And as you can see, it's pretty much similar, or it is the same length as the last one. So we're just going to now do this one, again exactly the same process. Button in, and it's just an up, and you've got to push the button in and put it up at the same time. Again, it's difficult to do with two hands, without two hands, so I'm just going to quickly do it now for you. Okay, so I've done it just enough now that I can show you guys the sort of motion you need. Literally just to pull up and shake, or like wiggle. So there's that one. We've got a nice new one. Here's what I mean with the clip here, which we just need to sort of, this literally unclips from the top. I think there's different makes and models where you actually replace this whole housing as well, but on the Volvos you don't need to. It's quite difficult to do by just one hand, evidently. There we go. Excellent. So I'm going to fit this on the smaller wiper, and we'll be all done nicely and easily. Again, it's just a case of getting it slotted into the relevant places, getting it worked on, and there we go, done just like that. We've got our lovely new set of wipers. Now if you want to take the car out of service mode, take the wipers out of service mode, again you just go into the car. It's a bit windy today, as you can probably hear. Put the key in the slot and turn the ignition on. If it's going to play ball, there we go, and they go back to their resting position. So that's it guys, just a quick little tutorial on how to install a new set of windscreen wipers on your Volvo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for plenty more Volvo content, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.